Alrighty guys, back with another video of the build. In this one we're going to be basically just bogging, sanding, getting it ready for the painting, just blending it in so it looks nice and pretty. Once we've done that, we'll be getting onto some real stuff, getting all the extra stuff on, and yeah. So I've already done this side, I've bogged this side up, and also bogged the other side up as well. I've partially sanded and bogged it. I have gotten some of the sides smooth and pretty nice, but I've got to continue onto it because I still haven't fully finished. Yeah, I'll quickly take you around, show you what I've done. So, on the passenger side, I've bogged up that, bogged up here, I've still got to sand that one down. And I've gotten that one nice and smooth on the wheel arch. That's almost there. And then I've also done under there. And then on the other side, done the same thing. Done this one, that one's pretty nice actually. I might keep that one the way it is. In there, might need a bit more. That there is fine. I've been working on this, but this is almost there. I just need one more bog in under there. And then this is pretty much there. Just a couple of rough spots up here. The thing is, I don't have to be that, it doesn't have to be that good on the top, because there will be a piece of trim that goes from about here to about here, so it won't really matter on there. Also, started to bog up this part here because there was a hole right in there, so I've bogged that up. Not that good of a job, but it's getting there. Probably another whole bog over it and we'll be right. Get off all the excess on the doors. But yeah, that's all I've done. Also done the windows, but they're basically done already. Just ready for painting and all that. So I'll get you onto a time lapse of me doing both sides. Hopefully I can get it finished today, but we'll see. Alright, check out the time lapse. Alrighty, so I have just about finished. I am getting really keen at this point. So, almost finished with this. I've almost gotten in there. I've just got to go back over that, get that nice and smooth. I've done that one because that one, I already told you, it doesn't matter. This one under here, that'll be fine. So to go with some real high grit, and then this is fine. I might try and fix that up there, that little nick in there. That little nick, if you can focus, 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 there we go. That little nick in there. Fix that up, sand that down, and that one. Get them ready for painting. And then, this side is basically almost done. I've done that, and done under here. Looking pretty good, pretty snazzy. Might go back over that with some high grit. I've just bogged over this as well. That was a little hole in the side. Got to go over that with some low grit, get that nice and shaped up, then high grit, and then Tell you what, we're going to be ready for paint. I am getting keen. Chuck on another time lapse, the finishing touches. Let's go. Alright, so I just finished sanding it all down, and I've just put the primer on the thing, and I'm actually quite surprised on how well that's come out. This is just a primer. I've got to sand it back still, but it's come up not bad actually. Like the sides is pretty good. Underneath, actually not bad. And then I've also did the other side. This one come out even better. Tell you what, not bad for a 16-year-old, bloody hell. Pretty stoked on that. Now all I've got to do is get the white paint. Oh, actually sand that down first. Sand it down, fix up all the little dots and all the impurities, and then chuck a slab of paint on it, mate. I'm pretty stoked on that. But this is going to be, I think it's a pretty short video, but there wasn't really much I could do today, and then during the week, literally it was just sanding, and you guys probably don't want to see a whole lot of sanding, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, this might do for the episode, I think. That's probably it for now. Got to go home. It's like 3:20. 3:30 at the moment, so that's it for this episode. Catch you in the next one. Yeah.